Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Alright, we have two methods how you can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method, which is recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone works in a normal way, when it's responsive, it's simply through the settings. So open it up, now scroll down until you find General Management, and now click on the reset. Before you reset your device, you can always create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, and in here you need to scroll into the bottom, and we are interested in factory data reset. But in here you can also reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset accessibility settings if you want. But we are interested in the last option. Simply click on that. Now you have a list of things that will be resetted permanently from your device, and a list of the apps. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on the reset button. Then your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. And now let's go straight into the second one. For the second one, we are going to use the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is lagged, frozen, and when it's not working properly. First, let's power off our device. Let's hold power button and the volume down button at the same time, and let's click on the power off. Tap twice. Okay, and now we need to plug our Samsung into into PC or laptop using USB-C cable. You can also plug it into the Mac. It will also work, so simply plug the cable. And now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And when the Samsung logo appears, we can stop holding power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So hold both of the buttons. Now release finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. We need to select wipe data/factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button. Now select factory data reset, tap power button once again. Alright, we can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Select reboot system now, tap the power button, and now within a second our device will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set it up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.